Welcome to Software Quality Experts. Today we are going to discuss with software development lifecycle. In programming industry, software development industry, it is known as SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Quality Lifecycle. Some company calls it application development lifecycle, and some other companies say it is web development lifecycle. But software development lifecycle is perfect, and some other software engineers, they term it application development lifecycle. Now let's see what does it really mean, SDLC or software development lifecycle. Let me just write SDLC and press enter in Google, and we can see the first resource that says software development lifecycle. SDLC is a process used by the software industry to design, develop, and test high-quality softwares. Remember, it is a process. Alright, it is not just a concept, it is a process. It is a process of planning, gathering requirements, designing, developing, and testing, and finally deploying the web application or software in the client's environment. Right? The SDLC aims to produce a high quality software that meets or exceeds customer expectations, reaches completion within times and cost estimates. Alright, if we go a little more to the right, and we can check here system development lifecycle. As I told you earlier, software development lifecycle, also known as system development lifecycle. In systems engineering, information systems and software engineering, the systems development lifecycle, also referred to as the application development lifecycle, is a process for planning, creating, testing, and deploying an information system. Now let's see at the various phases of SDLC through a picture. Okay, if I take this one, okay, let me make it a little bigger. It has 6 main phases. Now the phases can be varied companies to company, industries to industries. The first phase of this life cycle is planning and gathering the functional requirement from the client. Usually the business analysts, they do it, then they analyze the requirements, and finally they prepare a documentation. Okay, this documentation is shared with designers, developers, and testers, and once it is finalized, the designers start designing. Once they're done with designing, the developers or the programmers or software engineers or software developers, web developers, they start coding and developing the system or the software or the web application. And side by side, the test engineers also started testing the web application until it has become a quality software, until it has become a bug-free software. Alright, and once development and testing are done, the application or the software or the web application or the website is deployed in the client's environment. And when it is deployed, the question of maintenance comes. Okay, if for any reason the system fails or broken or out of order, again we have to do planning, analyzing, designing, developing or creating or programming, then testing, and again deployment and maintenance. Thus the life cycle goes on and on and on. That is why it is called a process, rather just saying SDLC concepts. Okay, I think the concept is clear. Okay, it's not only just a concept, it is also a software development process. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.